Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. As you can tell, I'm a little under the weather, but my dedication to this channel is such that I'm going to say that my excitement about this is why I'm still making my video for Saturday. So I really wanted something from the Murakami drop, and I don't have an essay, so that makes it a lot harder to get anything, because nothing, as soon as the thing showed up on the website, pretty much stuff was gone. I didn't get anything. And then I reached out to an essay, Becca from Texas, that was Autumn's essay, and then Winnie uses her a lot too. I'm like, hey, if you can get me anything from the Murakami drop, please let me know. And she said, sorry, everything's already been sold out. And then I went back to the website again, and I was looking through stuff to try to see like what maybe I'd want if I got my choice. And something showed up as add to cart. And I'm not sure if that's what this is or not. Yes, I believe it is. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got the little panda. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here's my little card. And here's my panda, and I got the little ribbon that has the little people and characters on it. Okay, so you might be able to guess from the shape of this what it was that I found. And I just couldn't believe it, because it was something that I actually wanted from the drop. And
is it a bag?
Yes. Look at the back. And I didn't know if I'd get any. I'm just so excited. I feel so crappy, and this is just so nice. So I saw add to cart, and it said the item probably wouldn't arrive for 5 weeks due to how busy everything was. Next thing I know, I got a notice that my item had shipped. So it's so cool. This was one of the things I wanted out of the drop. Probably one of my top picks. So here again, here's the ribbon. You've probably seen it all 1,000 times now.
1,001.
But it's my turn to get to show you.
Right?
And what I picked out, oh, look at it, it's a little box. Okay. Ooh, that feels so nice. The dust bag is like a velvet.
Like a velveteen rabbit?
Yeah. And this was from the men's line.
But it's not for me.
It's cufflinks. No, it's not for you. Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
I got the little ring. And look at this. It's got like the little S-lock on it. And then it's got the colors on it. Now will it fit my finger? Oh, well, good. Like a little worried about that, because I had no idea what sizes were what sizes, and it's going to be a nice tight fit, but at least it'll fit. I'm probably swollen. I can't get it on.
You're retaining fluids.
I'm retaining fluids because I'm sick. Now I can't get it off.
We can take the finger.
Okay, let's just put it here so you can see it for right now. And I gotta take this all off it. But there it is. Take it all. So, here's the SKU card, in case anybody wants it. And last I checked, these were still showing. Now, this was again in the medium. I normally wear a size 7 ring. And so I would say this is probably like a 7 or even a 6.5. get it. Okay, it's sticky right now. So I probably shouldn't squeeze it all the way on. But, let's see if you can see it that way. I just think it's so cute. No, it's just sticking to me right now because I'm sweaty and sticky.
You got Panda Express on your hands?
I guess. There, here, let's just do it there. Now look at it. It's like a pinky ring there.
Start calling you Vito with the pinky ring.
No, I'm not going to wear it on my pinky. I'm going to wear it on my finger, but I don't want to get it on and get panicky then because I can't get it off. But yeah, that's what I got. I was so excited that it was available because it was one of the things that I really wanted from the drop. Should I be like some other people now that are wearing them like just halfway? And wear, no, because you know what would happen with that? I'd have it on there for about, I don't know, 30 minutes and then it'd be gone. I wouldn't know where it was. It'd be lost. That is just so cool. Yeah, there's no way. If I got this on right now, I'd be panicking that I couldn't get it off. But I'm sure it'll fit fine when I'm not like this. But I love this. So I got this. I'm so excited. And I got my little flat panda guy.
Similar to Flat Stanley?
Yeah. And actually, I will have more to unbox for you because after I was able to get this, I was able to reach Becca and Becca reached out to me and said she actually had some other things that had become available. So I ordered a few other things.
What?
So I will show you those in after they arrive. I don't know when they'll be
Back on
arriving.
the list.
But Becca's an advisor. She should be on the list. So I want to put this on so bad.
Okay, why don't you not?
Okay, but okay.
Oh my God, it's like I'm dealing with a 4-year-old.
I know when I'm sick, I'm like that. But isn't it? It's just so cool. I could even get like a necklace and wear it on there. I just like the S-lock on it.
Does it come with a key?
I know. And you can't
Oh,
squeeze
okay.
and open it back
It's
up.
a faux lock.
So yeah, no, that's what I got. So I'm just super excited about it. I wanted to show everybody. I'm super excited that I got the ribbon and the little card. That makes me happy. And I just wanted to show you. Like I said, I'm not feeling very well. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have filmed for it's tomorrow because right now it's Friday. But this came and I'm like, I know it'll perk me up a little bit. And so I wanted to show everybody.
That and you'll probably feel worse tomorrow.
Look at what he's doing. I even said to him, I said, man, I feel like this is the calm before the, or no, you said that. I said, I think
can't
it's
remember
going
who
to get,
said what she said.
I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. And he goes, right, this is just the calm before the storm. And I'm like, I feel like crap and I have for a couple days now. So I don't want this to be the calm before the storm. Because that'd be a bad storm. So, that's what I have for you today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every other Thursday, I do put out a book-related video. And I have been starting to put out every week now a bag swap, where I swap what's in one bag and I put it into my new one. And I'll kind of talk about the bag I just used and the bag I'm going to use.
What day of the week is that on?
Excuse me.
Flemmy?
Stop. You know, he's all smart talking now, but this guy is such a softie. I said, I could probably use popsicles, but I'll probably only want like one, and then I'll feel better so I won't need them. And, well, if you can find a small bag or a small thing of cough drops, please get them for me. He comes home with popsicles. He comes home with a bag of cough drops. He's a sweetheart, even though he's smart while we're on the phone here. So, thank you, or, filming. But,
Hello? Who is it?
I do put on...
I thought we were on the phone.
Stop it. I do put out, my bag swaps typically are on Monday. I would say Monday or Tuesday. Don't hold me to them, but most likely it's going to be one of those 2 days. I'm over on Instagram as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And there I usually put up a reel a week showing you my bag of the week and the SLGs I've used. And I think I've already said if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Sorry.
Say goodbye, Flemmy.
It's a little fuzzy. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Anybody know where I can get a good hazmat suit? So I told Flemmy to look inside the envelope for something. And what'd you find in there?
He said, are there stickers in there? And I'm like, no, this is just the card you get. And then I open it up, and I got the sticker that says the 20th anniversary. And then a sticker. And 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 then look at how cute that is. The flat design. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you told me to open that. I wouldn't have opened it. So, okay, now I'll let you guys go.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Part 2.